This is a quick video that I want us to go through. This lady you are seeing here is a Jamaican woman, and she says something very very interesting about Igbo people and the connection of Igbo people with some tribe in Jamaica. I don't think it's all Jamaicans, but some tribe, and she says something about it. That's what I want to share with her. But before then, please, in case if you are new on this platform, do well and subscribe. Make sure you like the video and comment. Let us know what you think about the connection between Igbo people and many tribes in Caribbean and even in Africa as well. Because there's a tribe in Uganda, okay, that some people are kind of looking them with one eye. That they could be Igbo tribe, of course, and they somehow share some things in common with Igbo people. And the same thing is what this lady said here. I would like you to hear that. Okay. I would like to I'll make sure that you hear that because and when you go now go for you for now working. So you can see the title of her video, what she said here. Jamaica Igbos in Nigeria and Jamaica. Okay, so Igbos in Nigeria in Jamaica. So all this thing is a kind of somehow related, but I'm gonna allow the video to roll. But before then, like I said, please like the video and comment. And for some of you that will say, "Oh, if Igbo people love all of you, we want to Igbo people always drag people. You want to claim what you are not. You want to. This is not Igbo lady, like being what like Igbo people in West Africa. I'm talking about Igbo, somehow Igbo race or tribe in Jamaica during the time of Mad and all that. A lot happened. Sometimes you begin to wonder if only Igbo people are the one that actually engage on that because, or maybe they did their own with a kind of. All their strength because many people in Caribbean today, like if you check Black Americans, many Igbo people, when you check their DNA, you hear Igbo, and all that. Not that you don't see Yoruba or other part of Africa, you will see, but the similarity in what Igbo is known for, you will find it in those people as well. And lucky enough, she married an Igbo man according to her, and the man, I mean our brother, who is now her husband, they are sharing ideas together. And even if you look at when you look at her, to be honest, she looked like Igbo woman. To be honest with you, somehow you can see that through her look, and she's somehow happy. She's happy about it. Not that the people are celebrating the Irulele mad and all that, but the truth is that blood is thicker than water. No matter how you see it, it's always like that. And I'm gonna allow her to say what she wants to say. So, like I said, please subscribe to the channel and make sure you like the video, share it to many platforms of your choice, Igbo to the world. Okay, just let me get it to okay. Let's start. We'll start from the beginning. Okay, let's start it from the beginning. I think.
If you're a person that does not like the Igbo culture, you may want to scroll past this post because this is going to have Igbo Amaka written all over it. So many of you have seen me in videos and you've thought to yourself, she looks just like an Igbo woman. And guess what? You're absolutely right. But let me tell you the little secret behind it. See, it all started with the transatlantic slave trade. During the
You see, I have not even played this video. I just saw it and I felt like let me just share because I have noticed that I think this is making it three video this week that I got the feeds about Igbo people, Igbo women, Igbo, the similarities between this tribe and the Igbo tribe, the food and language. So her own just pump up. I said, okay, let me just write on this. Since I saw that she's from Jamaica, and I did not even play it to the end, to this place where like this minute that she is this video is done. I've not played to that to this level, but you can see you can hear her saying what I told you when we started. I told you that somehow she looks like an Igbo woman, and she have confirmed that People have been saying that to her. Okay, so I'm not the only one. Let me take it back a bit so you can hear that part.
But let me tell you the little secret behind it. See, it all started with the transatlantic slave trade. During the transatlantic slave trade, many of Igbos were taken to the island of Jamaica. And though they were not home, they took everything they had with them, which includes their proverbs, the language, their culture, and most of all, their entrepreneurial spirit. So, let me tell you some of the similarities between the Igbos of Nigeria and the Igbo descendants of the Caribbean. For example, our language. In our native tongue in Jamaica, which is called patois, we have a very, very popular word that we use, and we pronounce it unu. This is the Igbo word una. It means you people, or all of you, or you all. We use that every single day in Jamaica. By the way, if you're loving this shirt and you're thinking, well, Shika, where can I get one? Make sure you go to ldrvisa.com and click on shop. Anyways, back to the video. In Jamaica, we have some famous Igbo proverbs
I
that
think she made a mistake here. The Uno, she said that is that language is actually the way we pronounce it in Igbo, not Una. Una is when you want to speak pidgin English. Una people, you understand? But the real Igbo word for that is Unu. Unu nile, Unu ncha. You got to go. So that is, but their own is Unu, the same thing. But she wanted to say Igbo, she said Una. So not Una because Una is a pidgin English. Okay, derive from Igbo language Uno, meaning all of you, Una people. Una people, that is Uno, Igbo language. I know some other tribe will, because I don't know what is wrong with Nigerians, to be honest with you. Everything they want to drag you with Igbo people. I saw someone dragging a goosey soup. That they go, oh, goosey soup is from West, it's Southwest, not Igbo food. I was like, really? Really? Some also said, we also believe that I don't know who is the founder or who is the owner of Akara, because Yoruba do their own Akara. I don't know. Some people jollof rice. Some say, oh, is a Nigerian jollof, and who started it in Nigeria? They are dragging it even in Nigeria also. Melon soup, egusi soup. People are dragging it already with Igbo and Igbo people. Ike Gugwa. Anyway, let's continue.
use every single day. But the truth is, most modern day Jamaicans are not aware of where their language and a lot of the things that they're saying is coming from. The truth is, it came from the Igbos of Nigeria. One of the popular proverbs that we use all the time is, you will see a wata waka pumpkin belly. This is a popular phrase that we say in Jamaica. And in Igbo language, it sounds like this. Amaka Milisi Weber Obi Uboguru. Yes,
Na
I
Amara
did
Kamil is
ask him.
Weba no.
I did ask him to make me a voice note.
So meaning that this proverb in Igbo language, they also use that in her language, which is a Jamaican language called Patois. So, but Jamaican accent is difficult for me to say. So she said waka 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 waka. I don't know what is that, but the meaning is Namaro Kamil is Weba no. So and somehow is the same word, the same thing, but somehow different language. But you get the point. You get the point. So she's just like trying to bring the connection together. Listen.
I'm not that advanced in Igbo language yet. But yes, basically the meaning is you will see how does the water get to the belly of a fruit or a vegetable? How does the water get to the belly, right? Right. That is something we say every single day in Jamaica. The Igbos are the largest entrepreneurial group in Nigeria. And guess what? They have passed down that entrepreneurial spirit to us, their descendants in the Caribbean. If you would like to learn more about the similarities between the Igbo descendants of the Caribbean and the Igbos of Nigeria, let me know down in the comment section. And if you're an LDR couple and you're not yet following us, what are you waiting for? Make sure you engage from the bottom up, and I'll see you in the next video.
So that is the end of this our sister's message about the connection that she found in her husband tribe, which is Igbo tribe, and her own uh, countryside, which is Jamaica and Patois language. I think that is where she come from. So my people, I want to know: am I the only one seeing receiving this kind of notification, or is there another person here that I often watch, video like this where they are talking about the similarity between Igbo, that some people say, oh, Igbo tribe have been found like in Guinea. We have Igbos there, and many countries in Africa okay, believe that they somehow connected to Igbo tribe. But the Igbos are struggling to, to gain their ground because our land is being threatened. So we don't have that time to talk more about, the connection or probably our siblings elsewhere. So now we just want to leave. We just want to ask Nandi when they go as Nazota and Azowute. Can I settle together and before Wote? So, my people, please like the video and tell me what you think about it. God bless you as you do so. See you again. Bye bye for now.